Hi everyone, it's Cynthia from It's Pouring Paint. So, just the last video I did a bubble wrap canvas, and what that was is you put the bubble wrap on the bottom, you pour your paints on top of the bubble wrap, then you take the canvas, you push it down in there and you pull it back out and you get this amazing piece of art. So today, right now, I'm going to do something with a little bit of a twist. So instead of having any type of bubble wrap or stuff on the bottom, I'm going to pour paint all over this canvas, and I'm going to take this piece of crinkle paper and I'm going to put it on top, and I am going to crinkle the colors together with it. And I did this at a girlfriend's house, I would say about 20 years ago, and we did it to her wall, and I was thinking, you know what? It can be applied here, so let's see how this turns out. All right, first of all, I'm going to flood it kind of all with white just to, well, I don't know, because I'm going to flood it. People flood. I want to flood. And maybe not flood. Pour a lot on. How's that? I'll semi-flood. So, all right. So I got my white down. Now I'm going to put a series of these colors. It's going to be, these are all Art Deco from the dollar store in the metallics. Every single one of these is metallics. So let's go. And I'm going to try and get as much of the canvas covered as I can. Oh man, I'm so excited to see what this might be a fail, I don't know, but I'm thinking, I don't think how it could be. I think this is going to be amazing. But we'll see, right? Art is all about experimenting. Maybe someone else has even done this experiment. I don't know. All right. Here we go. We're just going to keep pouring this paint on. Trying to get into spots the canvas has not been covered yet. I'm gonna go this way now. I don't know if that's a faux pas. I could be faux pas-ing it. Oh. Alright, so now I'm just getting crazy. I just don't want any of this. I'm going to do a little black. I'd almost say, like, let's tilt this, but you know what? Let's not. So I'm just going to kind of try and pour some white into some spaces in here that the canvas has not quite been covered. It's a lot of spaces. If I could tilt it, I wonder if it would be better. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit more on. Just to make sure. I don't know. You got to let me know afterwards if you like it or you dislike it, or you think, okay, so you went a little overboard here, Cynthia. You know, try not to do that. It's okay. I can take all kinds of criticism. All right. Well, maybe just a little bit more black, just as a defining thing. Now I'm squiggling all over the place. There's no rhyme or reason to anything I do sometimes. Heck, it's my first time of doing it, so what am I to say? I'm doing it wrong? Well, I don't know if I'm doing it wrong. Let's go ahead and try this out. Or should I let it sit for a second? I'm going to like just do this jiggly thing to the table and see if maybe that helps. Don't know. Just jiggling everything. Potential fall down situation. Here we go, guys. Moment of truth. Well, that looks kind of cool just sitting there. What do you think, Jay?
Yeah, looks pretty cool.
Right? So I've left that on there for a second. I don't know why. It's okay. I'm ready to do this. I'm ready to pull this off. I sure hope that this looks fantastic. Well, there we have it. Wow. Okay. All right. I'm going to torch it now with my baby torch. Okay. What do you think? It almost looks like a riverbed or something. I think. I could be wrong. My lighter torch stopped working. Up. It's not the strongest. Yeah, I get it. It does work though. And my future husband bought it for me, and he knows nothing about anything when it comes to art. So you can only say thank you. Look at all the cells that have popped up. That is interesting. Very interesting. I see a spot here that might need a little attention. So all I'm going to do is just see if I can't tilt this just a little. I hope this doesn't ruin it. I'm going to tilt it back. I didn't get the spot I needed to get. I just get nervous when I start tilting. Things start going awry sometimes. I'm going to just push it. There. Maybe I don't really need to tilt too much now. And I'm going to go this way. Well, now I've squiggled up the whole riverbed idea. But I still like it. I still do. I'm going to leave it like this. You let me know what you think. I'm going to do some more in this style with different colors because I think this technique is quite neat and I don't see a lot of it, so I'm going to do some experimenting. So if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, put the bell on. You'll see a couple more or many more artwork that Jordan and I do. We love doing this. We're so happy that you came, and we will see you next video. Thanks for watching.